Welcome to another process video from Freddie and myself. Today I'm going to be making fabric origami foxes, little whimsical foxes. Let me pull you closer and then I'll show you how to do them. A little bit of slow stitching on them and some buttons. I've got two pieces of fabric the same, and I'm going to put those wrong sides together. So basically I'm making like origami paper, it's double-sided. If you've got batik fabric, that's the same each side, so you won't need to do double fabric. I'm folding it like that. This is the third take, by the way. So if you don't get it at first, don't worry. Oh dear. Right, so then fold that in half like that. And then you open it out like that. That's right. And this is the ear. And this is the nose. Oh, that's it. Third time lucky. Couldn't remember from the other day when I did it. Oh dear. That's it. That's the V of the face coming down there. Yes. And then fold that up like that. So it's like that. And that's the V of the face. That's it. Ah, I get there in the end. And then that's the ear. That's it. I thought it didn't look right. There we are. There we are. So it's got like a pronounced nose, hasn't it? Wow. That's the giantest fir cone I've seen. Made from willow. Oh, it's wonderful. I've got this little jar of buttons here. I'll tip them out actually. It's just fun to look through these. These all came together from a charity shop. This was one person's collection from over the years. In there I found this amazing button, and on closer inspection I think these are Edelweiss flowers, and this is a lady in a Swiss hat. What do you think? So you can do as much sewing or as little sewing as you want to. This one I've literally just put a little stitch here and here. And this one I've gone all the way round. But it's slow stitch, so there's no right or wrong. And then let's work out where we want these eyes to be. So it's in the middle of this bit, just underneath the ear. Let's sew one of these on. And now I'm going to put the nose on. Just putting a little in and out stitch where the ears fold over. That's it, in and out. do that on the other ear, and then I'll show you how I make the whiskers. There he is, and you can decide whether you like this bit that makes his nose more pronounced, like that, or whether you want to sew it down. I'm probably going to come and put some more stitches on him later. Let me show you how I make the whiskers. A little end there, like that, and then I've hooked it round, and then I'm going to go wrap it round like this, and then snip it there. Oh, let's tie it, shall we? And then his whiskers won't fall out. And this is 3-stranded cotton, so I can, embroidery thread, so I can split it to make little whiskers. There we are. There we are. There's his little whiskers. That's it, and we'll pin this bit. So slow stitch that bit there later. Slow stitch, hand stitch, whatever you want to call it. Now, what am I going to do with these? Well, I'm going to pin that down actually. That will remind me to come back to it later. What am I going to use these for? Well, I thought the smaller ones, which might be 2.5 or 3 inch squares, I could back those on felt and then get a safety pin or a brooch pin and make them into a brooch. Pop one on my denim bag maybe. It's the little dog we did, isn't it? Or one of the small one maybe. And definitely one in my slow stitch journal, in one of the, yeah, like that. I did, to teach myself how to do it, I made a paper prototype one. There's my little paper one. So if you don't want to make a fabric one, you could make a paper one. I'm going to find a page and put some glue on. Make him into a pocket there. And pop in, oh, it doesn't fit like that. Hold on, if I put it this side, that's it. That'll fit. It sticks out, but I never mind that. That can become like a little pocket, foxy pocket. Look, I was inspired because Joelle sent me this postcard, and it's got, and I thought, oh look, it's like a little fox, but it looks like it's been made, to me it looks like it's been made out of paper, a paper origami fox. It's in French, but Joelle sent me a translation. Kindness is magic. In words, it gives confidence. In our thoughts, it creates depth. When we give it, it creates love. Isn't that lovely? So I'm going to pop that in there, pop Joelle's name on there. And, oh yes, that's it. So that can go behind, and then that can get tucked behind the ears. Bulking up my journal nicely. Laurie gave me this when I met her in London. Freddie, do you think it's time we're finishing the video? I think he does. I can sense the rhythm, the change in pace, maybe. Ah, you're funny, Freddie. Oh, I made, with a little bit of leftover fabric, I made a paper clip as well. Let's put that in, shall we? That's it. I like to have things showing. Hey, have a look, Flo. Oh, look. You did find a bird to put in your fabric bird journal. Let's have a look. Oh, bird scissors. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's on the back of your little chicken coop, your little chicken house, isn't it? Oh, brilliant. Oh, love that, Flo. Have you noticed Flo's hat? Isn't it gorgeous? I was with my niece Katie and over at the weekend, and she learnt how to crochet a heart. That one.
With a magic ring.
Ah, Katie. Safe journey, Happy Mel. While I was at my niece Katie's, I've got this lovely soft wool from yarn from Julia, and Flo said she wanted another hexie cardigan. This will be her third, so it's nice and big and fluffy. Maybe it's a bit wintry. Do you think she looks going to look like a snowball, isn't she? What do you think so far? Oh, it's quite big, isn't it? I wonder whether I need to take one layer off, Flo. It's chunky wool, isn't it? Maybe I do. Might make a dress, actually. Should we go with a dress, Flo? Ah, shall we light a candle? Yes, let's do that. It's just a time to have a little breath and look after ourselves and think about others, isn't it? There you go. Take care, everyone. Bye. Nice. There you go, little love. That's so lovely. Katie, learning how to make a crochet heart using Hook by Robin's tutorial. Katie's first ever magic ring. Thank you, Hook by Robin. You were so full of yourself. We're going to see what it's like in cotton now. And here's Katie's second ever heart in the cotton. Do you prefer that one?
With a magic ring.
Ah, Katie. She's good. You didn't like using that though, did you?
Too slippy.
Slippy. Yeah. Do you want to try the other cotton or fed up now? Oh, number 3. Oh. Lovely. Yeah.